Okay, so please design this program. These are the same program in both conditions. These are the same program in the both loop. Okay, no any changes, 100% identical program. So can we start both loop simultaneously by one click and both? Okay, stop. So you will see we cannot we can start both loop. We can start both loop by our one click, but we cannot stop both loop. Okay, we cannot stop at all. We can start our both loop. Okay, now again we can start our both loop, but we cannot stop our both loop. We can start our both loops by one click, but we cannot stop. Why? What is the reason behind it? Why we cannot do? So please remember the universal. Please remember the universal rule. Please remember the universal rule of the loops. When the loop when the loop will executing, when the loop is executing, when the loop is executing, when the loop is
According to Wikipedia,
when the loop is executing, okay, at that time loop cannot take any input outside from, okay, from the outside. Loop cannot take any input from the outside, and loop cannot generate any output from inside to outside. Okay, it means when the loop will executing either for loop and while loop, it will not take any input from the outside at the execute when it's executing. If the loop is executing, so it will not take any input from the outside world, and it will not give you, it will not generate any data to the outside world. Okay, it cannot take data from the outside, and it will not generate data to outside. Okay, that's why when the loop start executing, if I will press, if I okay if I will press true, so it will not accept that true, because the loop is running. So I am going to change the condition. Let's change the condition and try to. Now please design this one and tell this loop will run or not. Yes, the loop will okay, only the first loop will start, only the okay what happened, only the first loop will work, second loop will not. Why? Only the first loop will run, second loop will not. Why? Because the second loop is waiting for the appropriate input. If you will see here, so second loop is not executing because it's waiting for the appropriate input in this tunnel. Okay, so second rule is this: loop will not perform till, okay, loop will not start execution till he will not accept, okay, loop will, if the loop will not accept the appropriate value, so loop will not start his execution. Okay, so there is no appropriate input in this node. That's why the loop is not start execution. Loop is not execution. Okay, loop is waiting for that appropriate, and just because this loop is running, that's why it will not generate any data outside of this loop. So what happen if I will press the, so what happen if I will hit the stop button? When I will hit the stop button, it will generate true, and this loop will stop. When this loop will stop, it will pass the true status, and this loop will execute only once. This loop will execute only once. Why? Why this loop will execute only once? The reason is, okay, because it will accept, because it will, okay, because it will carry the true data, and the loop condition is stop if true. Loop condition is stop if true. If I will change the loop condition into stop, okay, it's true in continuous, and when I will run, so this loop will not execute just because this loop will not execute just because, okay, it's waiting for the appropriate input. When I will press the stop button, this loop will stop first and it will pass the true data, and this loop will run after that. So now, so how can we pass? So it's clear we cannot pass data. We cannot pass data through wire. We cannot pass data through the wire between the two parallel loops. We cannot pass data through the wire by using the two parallel loops. Okay, so we need some cloud kind of things. Like now, right now we are talking. So I am not able to transfer any data with you by using the wire. So I am using one HTTP protocols and other memory elements and cloud like things. Okay, so here we need something who can able to transfer data without wire. Okay, so for that we will use the local variable. For that we will use the local variable. How we can use the local variable? Right click here, create local variable. When you will take the local variable, right click, change to read. Now connect. Okay, now if you want to, now if you want to run, so you will get one error. Okay, in the error list you will get the error boolean stop. Okay, the boolean stop, the boolean is the data type, stop is the name. Boolean let action is incompatible with the local variable. Boolean stop, okay, boolean latch action is incompatible with the local variable. Okay, now close, right click. Okay, right click here, come to the mechanical action, switch when pressed. When you will use the switch when pressed, then you can see your front panel block diagram both will work. Okay, now you can start Simon. Okay, wait. Now you can start both loop together, and we can stop both loop by the one click. So whenever you, now the condition is switch when pressed. Now the condition is switch when pressed. So every time when you will try, when you will again try to run, so okay, it will give you a true. So you can click this one and change into the false, then run. Now the statement is true, so again click into the false and run. So there is any possibility, so there is any possibility if I will run, okay, so it will always convert stop to false, true to false. So for that I will use here right click, local variable, create constant false. Okay, so look at here. Now what is the change? When I will run, first it will be change it into the false and start running. Stop. When I will change, Okay, let's see. Numeric indicator is present here. When I will run, when I will run, it will not generate any data just because it is present outside of this loop. Okay, when I will press the stop button, it will give me the output. Okay, again when I will not generate, okay, again I will press the run button, it will not give me any outputs. Okay, and it's showing me a default wrong numbers, that is the previous iteration data. Okay, so for that I can right click here, I can come to the local variable 0. So whenever I will start, so it will be start from the 0 always. When I will stop, it will give me the value. So this call initialization, we call it initialization. Okay, it is an initialization. Control Z. First this will execute, then this both loop will execute. Okay, there are no dependency between this loop, but first this will execute, then this both will execute. So here the use of the local variable. This is the use local variable. Okay, please design this one. When you will done, inform in the chat section. We'll move. Convert it into the convert it into the switch when pressed. Anish is asking, सर लैच के साथ एग्जीक्यूट क्यों नहीं हो रहा? डियर आई डोंट नो भाई, नेशनल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स वालों ने ये नियम बताया और मैंने मान लिया, और इस नियम से मेरा काम बन जाता है. सो मैं उनके साथ आर्ग्यू नहीं कर सकता, और मैं उनसे पूछ भी नहीं सकता कि सर क्यों. मुझे पता है कि क्यों नहीं होता वर्क. राइट नाउ आई नो. तो एक लंबे समय तक प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद आई नो दैट थिंग्स कि व्हाई लैच एक्शन इज नॉट compatible. Okay, it's a rules developed by the national instruments. And if you know about the latch action, if you know 1 and 2% about the latch action, so you can work. What is the meaning of latch? How it works? Please remember how latch works. Now, so this one is the, so we cannot pass data, we cannot pass data between, okay, we cannot pass data between more than two, okay, between two while loop by using the wire. So we use the local variable, but local variable is not a good practice. So what is a local variable? Local variable is just a pointer kind of thing. Local variable is just a pointer kind of thing. Okay, when we will create a local variable, it means we are creating one pointer, and we are targeting that we are creating one pointer, and we are targeting the memory location, the location of that Okay, we are targeting the location of that, okay, objects. We can create local variable for the front panel objects only. We can create the local variable of front panel objects only. We can create the local variable of the front panel objects only. We can, okay, only the front panel objects. Okay, so what is the, either we can create the local variable for the control and for the indicator. Okay, second thing, local variable is just a pointer kind of things. We can use the local variable for the read memories. Okay, read the memory element of that. So if I will use the latch action, so we know the latch action concept. Latch actions, when you will press the latch actions, when you will press, okay, when you will configure it into the latch action and you will press the stop button, so it will generate true for a very small time, and automatically it will convert, automatically it will go to the false when the LabVIEW will run. So if I will press here, so it will generate a very small true for just a very small time. Okay, and when LabVIEW will run it, it will come to the false. So it will not pass the data, it will not pass that true data from this location, because always the memory location will be, always the memory location will be false. So now let's come into our previous program. But the local variable is not a good practice, but the local variable concept is not a good practice. So what we can do and how we can access and works. Okay, so let's start designing again. SEQU. Running. Okay, whatever the spelling, please check. Okay, it will take, it will take 10 seconds. I am going to design the things for the 10 seconds. Okay, now right click, create indicators. Here we are in second frame. We are in second frame. Okay, and whatever we can design here, we are in second frame. And we'll display a graph for 5 seconds. will display a chart for the 5 second. Okay, right click, come here, 5 second, target is 5 second. Right click, use icon, stop, control B, it will stop. Okay, for the display, right click here, come to the local variable, oh, sorry, not sorry, everything is fine. Right click, come here, come to the string, advanced rotate string, control B. Okay, please end this program and measure. First it will run, then it will run 5 seconds, then this will. So let's check the performance. For that, come to the front panel. Okay, if I want to take one another local variable, so I can come to the application portion, dialog portion. So there is no, okay, in the structures there is one local variable inside. I can take, and okay, I can select this one. Nice. Now run. Okay, so let's do one thing, right click, okay. Again, let's check one more thing. It is 125 millisecond. Control A, Control U. In the front panel, right click, come here, justify center. So everything is working excellent. Okay. So congratulations. Now you are able to design and you can work on the